Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to control privacy settings for your Canva designs. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Canva web application, which of course I've graciously done right here. The next thing is fix your eyes in the home page. Don't you see that the user interface is quite interesting? All right, now let's hop into today's tutorial, which is how to control privacy settings for your Canva designs. How to get that done? So from this home page, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you're going to find your profile icon. So you have settings here where you can easily access the settings, or you can just go ahead and click here. So Canva just makes it easy for you. So here you have an extended menu here to say settings, get help, just improvements, and show that this is what you are seeing in the extended menu box to show that you're currently in the right place. So head over to settings. So when you click on settings, it's going to open up your profile settings. Yeah, so here you are. Okay, this really cool. So head over to the left corner of your screen. Now here you find your accounts, login and security, message preferences, privacy settings, and then personal, all the way down to personal, people, billings and plans, purchase history and domains. Now head over to privacy settings, because this is exactly where we can now control this privacy. So in the first category, it says data sharing. So they have personalized Canva ads on other websites. Now, do you want to do that? Do you want Canva me use your profile analytics data to show me personalized ads about Canva when I am browsing on other apps and websites? Do you want that? I'm gonna put that off. I don't know why it's on in the first place. But like, why would Canva allow me to use other websites in peace without popping up their ads? So if you want to do like I did, all right, just toggle that off, all right, and then it's off. If you want to leave it, just toggle that on and it shows that proper thing. So the next category is you're in control of the data. And I would believe you should have control over your data and take responsibility to safeguard seriously. So enhance your user profile with information from third-party providers. What does this mean? Allow Canva to enrich your profile by collecting additional information about you from third-party providers, so Canva can offer you a more personalized experience and tailor recommendations. Do you want to put that? Do you want that? If you want that, leave it on. If you don't want it, toggle it off. So the next thing is your content on Canva is not used to train AI unless you turn this on. So do you want your Canva content to be used to train AI? Toggle this on. If you don't want it, then please just leave it off. Next category is your general usage and activity helps Canva build better AI features unless you turn this off. So it says your general usage and activity on Canva can contribute to the ongoing development of better AI features. Do you want that on, or you want that off? If you don't want to support the development of AI using your Canva content, then you can just toggle this off. Or if you want to leave that on, just leave that on. And then the next thing, which is appearing, the last, is share your design usage with collaborators. Now share your design, share your usage and activity data with the editors or owners of the design that I interact with via Design Insights. Would you want to do that? Do you want to share? Leave that on. If you don't want to share that, just click on it and then you've toggled that off. So this is pretty much the process. This is how you can, of course, this is how you can manage or control the privacy settings for your Canva designs. You can go over tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.